today I prepared something interesting for you, and especially for all of us who don't have a reverse camera in the older car and want to hide the camera, okay? Because I had the problem that weeks, so now already months ago, I backed up my ute and it's just 2 inches lifted, but I backed up my ute out of a park spot, and there was another small tiny car behind me, what was it, Corolla or something, and I couldn't see it. I took a look on the left and the right mirror, couldn't see it. Took a look at my reverse mirror, couldn't see it. So I backed up my car and then hit the bumper, and the bumper was gone. Lucky that I had my tow ball in, so nothing happened to my car, just to the other one. But it was a expensive experience. So then I decided to get a reverse camera, or went to my dealer. I said, hey, what does a reverse camera cost me? Because the first thing I did when I bought the car was build a different radio in with Bluetooth and with CD and whatever, because the other one I had before was just CD and radio, and that was all, and it was too boring for me. So I got a better radio, chucked that one in, and it's a double DIN, so I'm already able to build a camera in. Yeah. So then I went there. I said, hey, what does the camera cost? He said, the good one, $150. I said, okay, I'll take it. It's not that much money. But then I had the problem I had to hide my camera, or to build my camera in. And when I asked him, he said, build it here in. So here the mount is still there, just for you, and build it in here. But that looked so stupid. So I show you that one from the side, because it was looking outside this way and on top of the number plate. I thought, nah, that's unreal. I need a different spot. And I thought to hide it underneath here, but I need this hole to get to my tire, to my spare wheel, okay? So I thought, what can you do? Where can I hide it? Thought about a tow ball. When I hide it at the tow ball, I get the problem that when I hook a trailer on it, I might hit it and destroy it, okay? So underneath here wasn't really a good option. What can I do? And I had the clever idea, I reckon it was a clever idea, to pull it underneath the handle. It's pretty much like the new cars are having. Yeah, the camera almost at the same spot, so it depends. Some are having it here, like the new Triton. There's the camera here, or some others having it here or somewhere where the emblem comes up and it's there. And I pulled it in here. And how I made this one was, I had the camera there, figured out where's the middle of it, and painted around, marked it. Then I drilled several holes, small holes around, all the way around, made the hole, but make the hole smaller than it should be for the camera, to make the right size. So then I drilled the hole, knocked the part out, but what I did before, I went into the back of the tailgate, opened the lid to see if anything is behind. No mechanical stuff for the handle to open it or anything, and there was nothing. So I cut this one out, put the camera in, then took the camera, glued it with super glue on the front so that I can still a little bit move it. And when I found the right position for it, connected in the meanwhile with the radio, and started it up. And saw, yeah, okay, now it's in the right angle. Fixed it again with a little bit more super glue. Put Sika flakes around, because it's a strong, like silicone but stronger, especially made for cars and for big car windows and windscreens. So very good stuff. Put it around and sealed it up, and the camera was in. So if you liked my video, if you liked this idea, you can do that at your car as well. Then like and subscribe and see what's new next week. See ya.